what's your morning habits? And you said earlier, sometimes you wake up at 6:30, 7 o'clock. You wake up essentially pretty early. But what does your morning routines look like? Once you wake up, what's the first 5 or 6 things that you do every single morning?
I want to say I have breakfast and and eat and make coffee or whatnot. But actually, the first thing I do as soon as I get out of the bed, I just jump on a call. Like as soon as I do it, I'm in I might be in my pajamas or in my boxers. Doesn't matter. The first priority is getting to the client, getting their questions answered, getting on the call with the development team, the product team, the graphic designer, making sure that they have everything they need to be successful for the day. Once that's done, then I go into the kitchen, make a little bit of breakfast for myself and my girlfriend, make coffee, and then take care of myself. You'll probably be doing the other way around, but the way founders work, obviously, at least the ones who really want to get somewhere, is that you really have to, for a couple of years, just be away from everyone else, just focus on your business and put it, that's the first priority, or at least the second priority. And then once it's stabilized and once it's on its way up in terms of trajectory and success, then you can take a little bit of step back. But right now it requires 200% of me. And so the first thing I do is jump on a call and make sure that my people have, or my customers, potential customers, have what they need to make sure that they're successful.